Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today, I will show you how to convert our images or photos to video animations for free, using Image to Video animation tools. We will try different artificial intelligence tools. Let us get started. Cutout Pro is not a free website, but we can use the free option with a watermark on it. To start, open Cutout.pro, the link is provided in this video description. Open the product menu and select the photo animator option. Click Upload Image and select your photo. You can now choose the animation type from the exemplar menu. Here is the AI-generated video from this tutorial. In summary, we have explored AI tool that can generate animated videos from images, Cutout Pro AI. Experiment with these AI tool to create engaging and dynamic content from your photos or images. Please hit the like button and leave a comment to support me. See you in the next artificial intelligence tutorial video. Bye bye.